closer, children. Aren't they magnificent?
They're so sparkly.
It's wonderful.
The light returns, the shadows flee.
Incredible.
I can barely believe my eyes.
The light shines brightest in the darkness. Hold on to hope, dear one. Your strength is returning.
Come closer, children. Aren't they magnificent?
They're so sparkly.
It's wonderful.
Stop! You must listen to me. That power is not yours to control. It threatens to destroy everything you love.
The moonlight reveals your destiny, child.
My destiny? It's beautiful.
Kindness blossoms when we tend to others with a humble heart. See the world not just through your eyes, but through the eyes of the forest.
Celebrate the day, come join the dance, let joy and laughter fill the air. This lipstick is to die for! My face! What have you done? Please, I am so sorry. I beg for your forgiveness. I didn't know what I was doing.
I forgive you. You are safe now.
Thank you.